Speaker sir, I'm satisfied with that.
Speaker sir, to question 3 and 4 answer to আমি তো satisfied হব আমি হঠাৎ itu ESRDB to project আছে তো highway নহয় itu sanction আছে বুলি itu আছে না নাই itu হতে highway titular করছে না করে না itu হতা না itu পরা আমি supplementary একটা হতি আছে
under SARDB for सभी सेक्शन कोर्स जो प्रोसेस सेक्शन भी कोर्स से for preparation of DPR or 10 crore 33 lakhs 43 10 crore 43 lakhs 43,000 itu section भी कोर्स और preparation of DPR भी complete कोर्स सभी MRTA के सभी कोर्स Already, Chief Minister, do you have second time, third August 2022, Minister, and obvious, policy changes, time level from national highway to take over. So unless until it is declared as national highway, MRT, SARDB itu tidak PM Gati Sakti. PM Gati Sakti scheme पे apply करेंगे. और Chief Secretary ने Chief Secretary second time Chief Minister approval of this project under PM Gati Sakti. Itu tu amahan kusibran itu SCRDP de taki se DPR preparation or survey work करने से सभी कोई से किंतु second time minister के लोग थोड़ा तो minister advice itu scheme under the regulation of the chances. Kalau amahan SCRDP, NE, tadi kita itu polisi changes, orang itu semua boleh. Kintu jadi aman presiden, sebenarnya juga kalau pada ambil dua proses, Chief Secretary aku lagi kintu ijadah aku berkaya aman, kintu aman berdebat stop will continue to vigorously pursue.
project to itu lang ay dabra itu kutak korse itu bra ami itu civil society kan leaders kan full committee kan itu last assembly 13 assembly de aaya hu ame aaya parana inaka bhori na ase itu try kori na pisi bar sukti pisi bole 4 road kona inaka se bi pisi pressure dia hai inaka na aru bahar de bi itri kota house security bahar de itu hotel la kota inaka Nagaland pore itu bora itu ame ngambi uno diplomasi bora kurili pala sa itu bora itu ame kan ki koroba lagi itu asu to last 13 assembly de ame to pass hobo lagi to bisi de itu fourth hill street so to amar BJP minister melengani ase starting from honorable minister Baiwang sab to visit fourth hill touch ahile former minister Pangyu bi tagi itu fourth hill touch ahile along sab fourth hill touch itu ada pangjong ase tuli aro ahile itu badon sab BJP kibudi se aro ahile Newland itu honorable minister cakap darlaga tapi lah itu pura last time tu itu mulamu aro itu Pangyo sapi lagi sih, pura lain tu BJP. Center di BJP government Julia se, ya di BJP college di government Julia se. Same ke man hidik BJP itu full leaders kan, ulap serius logi na, itu kuri ni. Neden Gidkar itu BJP laga minister ada tu. Ini aja bu barang lagi, itu full gurna itu highway pura tu try lagi na, part wise. Part puri na ulap tu lepas pura puri na. Dia SRTB laga tu nampak ni key alternative bahasa itu. Tuli to new link to true holy wusido 90% problem solved. Next visit to Tuli 41 kilometers sir, 41 kilometers itu true body itu visit asi itu Tuli to longto to Mirabane ina ona true part purina itu ora itu part itu portion do wila bari palo. Honorable Minister was kind enough allocating so much money this time from nowhere. Iman tikar se carbon iman tai kase financial position do libi tar manokan hala pura house ti hala pura burung burina one keman ase itu 140 crore 50 lakhs hale dia do itu to pichi nama kota ase
yo question potato Bhavana Puran Napongcha, the Topu is far away from home. Especially election time there, Pishi Topai. Poi, last time imposed Hogunaki, Kipa Hogunaki, Ki Hogunaki Bukana. Situation the Upper Security be election time to there for Puriti. Our area director is a Topu Moka. Topu. Monday child is 6-7 hours to look at that. Portung Dembi goes. PC told about if once 10 Jagana Pohi new there, space out there, election office can be officer can be. Aro edu can get Q hobo Rasta there. Sometimes Rasta be via Hulkan. Clear will be do it into Tintendo in the Piragana. It do difficulties, convenience. Saikana moy itu election department ke itu hudia jamara honorable chief minister reply kora ANP district election office cannot be set up without receiving approval from the election commission of India. Unless we propose, government of India will approval to Nadibudo. Itu kami, sir, request creation, itu Tobuto Iman Lamba ase, tadi election office to Twitter constituency kami dibuat lagi itu kena proposal budaya. Definitely, election commission of India will approve. Ami Tobu subdivision to Tonsang under Thagisher. To Mon the Aha Bichete Lamba Hojish. They get example of Pokoputu, Kohima the Thagisher. Zeneputu the Chaisher. Zeneputu bra Pokoputu to Lamba Hoshi. Itugani, Pokoputu to independent Nasado. STBB, Pokoputu Aro, Tobuto, Ikitendi, Kurishide, notification that Hagi. To STBB Ikilo Hoise, Tristipe Alagalate, itu Tuita to Ekta Kohimate, Ekta Tonsanga Tavish. To separate Ponaitisha, STBB, Pokopoto, STBB Tobu.
Honorable Assistant Election Office only, not district. There are no district political number, but Assistant Election Office. Moham Bhavana, our honorable Diablo, if we can say before district, they were the only. Aro থাকছে ভেরিন আছে ডোমেন আছে itu kalau assistant election office hari ini tapi boleh lebih very sorry belum dah makan magi jalan agi aro ijaro akhir kita boleh thakara makan itu assistant election office press boni wene makan itu wasa itu le honorable le all explain akhir bencang ke dhaje mukha tahu bencang ke pon begini dhaje we used to go but after relocation from Assam Mohammed Jaro 130 kilometer is now
election office খুললে কথা কোয়া বুঝিছে difficulties করাবি বুঝিছে process জানা কি কিবা গন্ডগোল মানে যে নারা আইছে কি since 1994 when it was 30 years ago first Manalo then President May was Minister in charge of Welfare and International Trade. After the Bangkok advisor Nagaland 13 September 2019. Tadi ini panai. Itu iya panai ini discuss further ago, but we will re-examine as to why and how it could not be done.
Second, what is the revenue generated by the Department of Coal Mining Industry to last fiscal year 23-24? The answer to question 1A is little elaborate, Roman 1 to 10. There are lots of conditions prescribed, but none of these conditions are being fulfilled. But before I put in my ideas and criticism, I would like to know from the minister in charge. They have given the figure during 2022-23. The revenue is 9,91,82,730. Whereas in 2023-24, the fiscal year, the revenue is 3,41,42,645. How can there be a huge figure of about 6+ crore?
Made by honorable member is relevant. Now, I'm not the minister in charge of judging mining. Honorable Chief Minister has authorized me to reply, so I'll try to satisfy the member that yes, there is some query. See, Nagaland state was producing coal for the last many years, but it could not fetch a good price in the market due to high sulfur and ash contents, in spite of having high calorific value. See why the royalty collection varies from 2022-23 sliced down to 2023-24. Year is yet to be closed. We are still running. So till March 31st ending, we will come to know what will be the exact amount collected, royalty collected during the year. But I would like to give a reason why it has gone down. During 2022-23, due to limited import of coal imposed by Ministry of Coal, Government of India, there was a sudden demand of coal in various energy sectors in the country. This has bumped the demand of coal in the domestic market, including Nagaland coal, at better price, resulting to substantial increase of demand and supply of coal in the country.
To put some suggestions which are very important with regards to the coal mining that is happening. I am also a part and parcel of the coal mining fraternity in my area. So, with regards to the revenue, I would also like to compliment and substantiate the Honorable Deputy CM answer, and also put in some suggestions in a few minutes. The revenue, even if financial year ending would be, it wouldn't come up to that much. Honorable Deputy CM has clearly told very clearly, because last year the demand was there, and this year the rate of the coal mines are very less. 4,000 per metric ton, 3,500, 4,500 is the max that is going on now. Last year it went up to, means last year, because financial year ends in the month of March only, so last year it went even up to 11,000. Especially the best coals are now in Nagaland area. This is the Nagaland. They go up even up to 11,500, 12,000 rupees per ton. Right now there are a lot of coal in stock. Must be not less than 2 lakh to 3 lakh metric tons in stock in the whole area, which is not getting even a price of 4,500 or so. Now only the brick owners in and around Assam, West Bengal, they are taking it, because they are not able to take in the huge amount of import that is happening from Australia, Indonesia, and even America is coming in with around 3,300 rupees per ton in the yards.
But I want to put some suggestions. Laymen like me, ignorant, innocent, scientific citizens like me, we are not well conversant of the power supply. We don't know. There has to be an erratic power supply throughout the years. That's why to come to know as to why there is an erratic water supply, I have put up this question. My question is, what is the current maximum peak demand for power in the state? And the peak demand is 108 megawatts. I'm very satisfied. Number 2 question was, how many megawatts does Nagaland generate, and what is the shortfall?
Accordingly, when the first alignment was decided, it was supposed to be Rema Bali to Old Rala. And then to this alignment, there was one certain village in Boko, they have objected to this, and for which the matter was taken to the committee. The committee has signed anti-dispute committee. But that anti-dispute committee could not settle the issue, and accordingly, the issue was given to the Rema Hohos and the Western Committee and Hoho to settle it. Even then, it couldn't be settled. Now, when the Department of Road and Bridge, Road and Bridges came out with 2 options. The initial option was dropped. That is, as I said, Rema Bali to Old Rala. Now, because of the objection raised by the Hoho village, the original alignment was dropped and it was realigned, taking a diversion from Vehicle Junction. So, initially, new land vehicle, Zehishe, Rema Bali, then to Rala area. It was the original alignment.
So, this is very great debate, Honorable National Highway Minister will explain. But you see, when you touch new land on Longkhumer, and if you want to go to the Rema Bali, then you have to go down, or either you have to come up again towards new land. So the officials from the ministry had shown the resentment, saying that this route is supposed to be, the logic behind this route is to have a shortest route connectivity between the districts and perhaps the villages within the districts. So I agree with what Honorable Member my colleague has said. And if possible, it is good. But if we have to go to our original design of the DPR, where it was was created in the year 2014. I think they are the same, because they have all the geotech Google Maps with them and seeing the route, which districts is going to enter, how it's going to develop the social economic landscape of that district, and so on and so forth. So many villages from the district under UN aspect are specified and included. They have also shown the display saying that it was originally it was there, now it has been removed. So I said, I explained to them the idea behind why this road is being constructed, the difficulties of the Nagas from the various districts and regions designated. So I think it is not that we don't want to share this route with any tribe. I have to be very fair because I am aware of this issue. So the minority and minority is very clear.
Those areas where going through, the MLAs and the members should be consulted. What is the best? But we are pretending to the present road, which 129 kilometers out of 300 kilometers, we have reached out to Tishit. So to maintain that and to, if there is any portion unconnected, we have to clear that one. And the request of the honorable members touching down the NEIPHIU or the others. If the mega project comes in, naturally it will go to NSDSL also, like that bigger firm. So the alignment will take place. Wherever state cabinet of the honorable chief minister to intervene to facilitate some of the areas which are very genuine, that kind of things will happen at a later stage. But for today, we are concerned with the present road, what exists. And we thought that the department should give out of the support of the 150 crores. With that, we thought that at least Dimapur to Tishit single lane all weather road should be made, and that people should at least use for the may not be a bigger vehicles, but the light vehicles from Moon to Myanmar, from Tishit to Dimapur, or from Ocean, from Local, and all these areas wherever the areas are being affected with this road. Therefore, when government is taking serious, sometimes we buy time, but pursuing with the government of India, they also have certain schemes, and in the event when Chief Minister went to the MRTS Minister, Honorable Minister Sri Gadkarji, he said highway declaration policy has been changed.
This question, because after a gap of 4 years, we are going to conduct this recruitment. Speaker sir, this time, recruitment will be conducted in every district. In every district. Where the Nagas of the district may appear in the test, physical and medical. Not only our police department were grateful to our honorable leader of the House and Cabinet for clearing this recruitment policy. 7 uniform service department are going to have this recruitment very soon. So there won't be, I feel that there should not be any tribal quotas, because we are going to conduct recruitment in all the districts. That is the supplementary reply. And we have got a concurrent finance for recruitment of.
I think police recruitment, for a long time it has not been conducted. and this was brought to the cabinet. What should be the criteria? And that's how we deliberated on it. And as the Minister in charge, Home, had mentioned, to recruit in the own district or to recruit for the convening of the people, because to come to bring everybody into one place, it is not possible, and it is too difficult for the candidates. That's why we decided that it will be on population ratio of the tribes. This was started when I was Home Minister, and when IRB recruitment was done. I applied this first in 9th IRB, and so that even up to the smallest tribe like Koki, Garo, Kachari, and this Vikirs, Garos and Karvis. So, who has the village and who has proven that their non-Naga indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland? So, it will go into the tribal ratio of the population. Plus, you may be taken interview in your own district, but when you pass and recruited after training, it doesn't mean that you will be sent back to your district. It will be all clap up, because our police has become very indisciplined, not effective, because always pushing and demanding the politicians to transfer them to their respective district. So, over the years, in most of the district, the battalion has become permanent, the DL has become permanent, and transferring to their own district. And in the bus, inside the battalion, in and around battalion, families come together. And it's not like a police battalion. It's like becoming a public place. And you cannot maintain discipline. That's why honorable members should tell the candidates or their parents, the public, that recruitment will be given, justice will be given to everybody, but after recruitment, they should not demand where they should be posted. It will be up to the headquarters, and the first few years that police can decide, but they should not be sent to their parent district in any candidates, so that they serve other district, because Nagas, we have to serve one another, not only serve ourselves. That kind of policy should come. Then our police will be effective. And group recruitment will be there. And the smartest laws for IRB to join in the IRB as constable. And then after certain years, when their best years they serve in IRB, because they will take training of commando trainings and operation trainings with armies also. So the best year of the youth, they will serve in IRB, and when they are a little younger, less effective, they will be sent to different police battalion or DL battalions. So I think our elected members, we should not recommend any person, if they come for transferring to their home district, battalions or DL, at the beginning of the years. So these are a few for your consideration. Thank you.